All right, folks. Wanted to introduce you to a new software tool that's created. It's called IBO Dominator. This is basically a software for the platform called Ibotoolbox. Now, for those of you that don't know what Ibotoolbox is, it's a very responsive social site that a lot of home-based business entrepreneurs alike are flocking to, okay? So I'm just going to just show you the platform itself, okay? So when you come to the home page of Ibotoolbox, you know, they have their member of the day. People that have stars have basically accomplished certain things on the site, so you get rewarded for your efforts. And you know, that's great. They have a rating system, so you can see who's busy on the site, who's basically engaged. That's how I look at these stars, okay? To me, that's not important as some of the other things I'll show you here. I'm going to make this video short and sweet. I'm going to try to keep it under 10 minutes just to give you the gist of what you're going to be able to get your hands on here very shortly. I also show you the amount of people that visited the site today. So over 200,000 people visited the site today. That's insane, right? Wow. Now, there's a lot of different functionality built into this platform. I mean, you have Ibotoolbox, which is the main site. Then you have IBO Search, allows you to basically crawl the database of this platform, like what you see the software doing right now. It's crawling the database, and I'm basically sending all these people basically a friend request, as you would call it, okay? That's the easiest way to describe it. I'm basically sending these people a friend request. If they accept my friend request, then that allows me to send them messages, all right? I want you to realize the real power behind this. I'm going to show you that here in just a moment. Now, you have a job platform, you have media platform, you know, where you got videos, social exchange. You got all kind of stuff built into this platform. I mean, a lot of stuff that is probably not even used like it should be used. I mean, only 2,000 people have registered for this platform under the IBO brand, but very powerful stuff. Very powerful. They got their own little fiber thing going on over here. But I'm not worried about any of these associated systems. I'm worried about the main platform. This is where the money is right here. Now, let me show you the Alexa ranking. This will show you what we're talking about here. I mean, look at the amount of traffic this thing is getting. And in order for you to reach this rank within Alexa, I mean, you got to be doing some serious numbers. And then, as I just showed you, you have over 200,000 people a day visiting this site. So it's getting a slew of traffic, okay? And the average time that people on the site is about 8 minutes. Most of the traffic is coming from the United States. And it's getting people from Facebook and Twitter and all these other different platforms that you see here, LinkedIn, all the ones that matter, all right? So with that being said, I'm not looking to use this platform for the free tools and resources they offer. Like you can send press releases, they get ranked on Google and different things like that. I'm interested in becoming friends where I'm able to send my message out to multiple members, okay? So let me just show you here real quick. So as you see, the software is sending out these friend requests. They call them send requests, all right? And this is just one function of the software. Once you've basically friended these people and they accept, all right, then you can send them messages, all right? Now, this here allows you to spin the greeting, and it allows you to put in your ad body copy. And you don't want to just spam your opportunity or your business or whatever. You just want to, you know, basically cordially introduce yourself. And then you just want to leave a little link, like a signature. And, you know, your website, your link to your business opportunity, whatever, at the bottom. Not even promoting it. Just put it down there. And what I've noticed is I'm getting more clicks and more hits to my site and more traffic without even promoting. This blindly promoting on the low, but not even promoting. This basically putting that link down there just so they see it. And people that have a tendency to see a link, what do? They like to click on it, all right? So that's exactly what happens. Now, you can also come over here if you want to use the person's first and last name when you're sending these messages out, you just hit yes. All right, to kind of add some type of personalization to it. You can come over here, select how many pages you want the software to go in terms of, this is based on how many people you have friended. This will go and search X amount of pages, and it will go ahead and allow you to send messages to that amount of people. You can vary the amount of seconds in between the messages being sent out. Now, you can also, when people want to friend you, you can also accept or deny their request. And the software automatically does this for you as well. All right. You can basically, if you have a lot of people that are trying to friend you or send you friend requests, you can specify how many pages you want to go deep and allowing the software to gather those people for you. And then you can select the amount of seconds you want to wait in between each acceptance or denial of those requests that are sent to you. Now, you also have a remove associates function for those people that, you just may want to remove some people that are annoying you or what have you. Or you just may have too many people and you just say, I just want to remove some people today, whatever. That function is built in here as well. I mean, I'm sure most of you would probably not use this tab, but it's there just in case you decide that you want to use it. All right. Now, also, when you first log into Ibotoolbox, there's a wall, a big wall, where everybody is allowed to post their message for their income opportunity, whatever they want to say. They want to provide wisdom, some type of knowledge. You're allowed to do that. And I'm just going to log in here to IBO so you can see that. So right when you log in, folks, this is the wall. And this software will go ahead and post on the wall in increments of however long you specify. So you want to post a message on the wall, you can do so. You can specify the time, and you can specify the number of messages that you want. So if I want to just post on the wall every 5 to 10 minutes, the software is going to pick a time in between 5 and 10 minutes. You can go all the way up to 60 minutes. So there's just different variations. So you can look more human-like, if you want to call it that. Now, also something that I built in is you are allowed to send people, you're allowed to basically comment on other people's posts that they post on the wall, which adds, as they would call, credits to your balance. And with these credits, you can advertise your banners and things like that. As you can see, you get impressions. I haven't done the advertising. It's not something I'm looking to do. Now, you can also like random posts as well. So you can comment on random posts, yes or no. You can like random posts. These are other people's posts on the actual wall here, which is basically the homepage of the site Ibotoolbox. As you log in, it's on the dashboard right there. So also, when people send you a message, you can also put some text in here and reach out to these people. What I mean by messages, people will send you messages. You go into my associates. Actually, you go into my messages, excuse me. Go into my messages. Once the software, let's see here. And all these people sent me messages. I got, 5 pages of messages. So this is another way for you to reach out and basically advertise to people blindly on the low. You don't want to blatantly just put your opportunity out there, but say, hey, how you doing? Want to connect with you, blah, 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 blah. And at the bottom, you leave your name, and then you would leave your link underneath your name, and just maybe just a one-liner about your business. And like I said, people will just go ahead and click on it, and you'll get traffic without even trying to get traffic. That's the whole purpose of this software. I mean, it's a social networking platform, but there's a lot of people that do good business on this platform, and you don't want to, there's no need to advertise to these people. Just put your link down there at the bottom of your message, and you'll be surprised. Trust me, I've out of 100 people that I sent messages to, I got like 35 people that visited my site. I mean, it's insane. I mean, that's huge, So, like I said, all these people that are my associates, these are people that are trying to reach out to me to friend me. These are people that I've reached out to that have actually accepted my friend request. So these are 1,300 people I can send my message to. I mean, or, introduce myself to and just put my link at the bottom and bam, I mean, 1,300 people, without even doing nothing. So anyway, folks, if you're excited about this software as I am, I want you to not even hesitate. I want you to go ahead and pick it up. And you will definitely see the results that I'm getting with this software. It's a very powerful tool, folks. And once you do pick it up, I'll have some videos in the back that will show you how to use this tool and how I use it and how you can definitely grow your business leaps and bounds above what you're doing right now, whether you're using Facebook or using Backpage, what have you. This is just another weapon to have in your arsenal, something else to have in your have on your tool belt. So anyway, folks, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at support@SeanWalters.com, and I will see you on the other side.